St. Andrew Technical High School, STATS, has big plans for its track and field program. Jamaicans here and abroad are invited to participate in the school's ongoing fundraising 5K virtual run by visiting the school's website before April 30. Alan Beckford from Becca Sports says his company is providing the platform for the virtual run.
Anytime you want between now and April 30, you can go on, you can enter, you can run. And all you have to do is to input your data before May the 1st.
He says if you don't feel like running, you can just make a donation.
So if you don't even want to run, you can press donate, so you click on that, which will require you, first of all, to make the minimum of the $15, which would have been the entry fee. And if you go down the page now, if you scroll down, you would have entered all of these fields, of course, and you go down, 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 down. You could just go in, for example, and say, I want to donate $500, so put 500 US in there.
The event is being organized with the aid of the Staff's Trust. Chairman of the Trust, Mr. Barrington Johnson, says that the proceeds will be used to procure equipment and other tools needed to develop the school's sports program.
We'll be ensuring that the shipping portal, which will be a 40-foot container, will be used and retrofitted to a worthy cause at the schools, specifically on this occasion for the sports department, specifically track and field. The Trust is committing part proceeds of this endeavor this year towards that program to retrofit it once it gets on the compound.